Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on July 12th, 2024. Today was quite a cloudy day, with the odd light shower, especially in the evening in the north. Overnight, we'll see generally quite cloudy skies, with some drizzle in parts of the west and north, and this will push into Midlands areas in the morning time. Now, through tomorrow morning, we'll see that area of drizzle lingering on before bright spells form widely, with some showers forming, the odd heavy one possible, especially in the south, southeast, and northeast. Through the evening, showers fade away, and we do see some generally bright spells for a time. Into Sunday, and Sunday we see again it starts off actually quite nice on Sunday. From the afternoon we see some showers forming, heaviest and most frequent there in the Midlands and North. Into Monday morning, where we start to see this area of heavy rain coming up there from the south, and that forms into an area of torrential downpours in the afternoon with some hail and thunder in there. Into Tuesday, we see a few showers, but not nearly as heavy or as widespread as those on Monday. And on Wednesday, we see this next area of heavy rain sweeping in. So a washout Wednesday. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. There we go. Okay, so what we're seeing here is we see some cooler air tonight for a time. Actually, no, sorry. It cools down tonight, obviously. I don't know why I thought it was a cooler air mass, but fine. Yeah, I'm tired, that's why. Anyway, it's actually quite a mild night, though. Lows of around 11 to 13 Celsius, so it's quite cloudy as well. Into tomorrow, we see highs of around 14 to 20. Coolest on the west and north coast and mildest inlands. Into Sunday morning, we see lows of around 9 to 13. Coolest in North Leinster, where we see some clear spells and so on, or even the odd patch of fog. Into Sunday highs of 17 to 21, so coolest on the north coast, mildest in the North Midlands. Into Sunday night, we see lows of around 12 or 13. For on Monday, highs of 15 to 20 degrees, coolest where the big downpours are in Munster and Leinster. Into Tuesday starts off very mild, and the afternoon gets up to 16 to 21, almost in the east. And into Wednesday, it starts off mild again, and by afternoon, we're only struggling in the low to mid-teens in Ulster and Connacht, but further upwards in Munster and South Leinster, highs of around 16 to 20. So, definitely a warming trend is incoming. Today was definitely quite a cool day. I felt the chill myself. But from tomorrow onwards, really, it starts getting warmer day by day until Wednesday, when we do see the next area of rain and wind come in. So here is the NAO, Index Observatory Forecaster. So we're currently very positive with the NAO, but it will collapse into the following few days, and by July 30th, around that sort of time, will be negative with the NAO, which is not a good sign for summertime. It generally means that you have the jet stream over to our south, and that feeds in areas of low pressure and cool, wet weather. So here is the GFS, mid 12th run. I always say that by accident. I keep saying not midnight, it's the 12th run. Midday run, though. So here is the GFS midday run, 12 says. Okay, so tomorrow we see this trough starts to get going, so we do see a few showers. On Sunday, that trough becomes even more intense, so more showers then. And on Monday, we see a proper area of low coming in that brings shower rain and heavy downpours. Actually, Tuesday, Wednesday, westerly winds come in. Behind that, towards the end of the week and the weekend, we see higher pressure, so showery, but warm as well. And into the following week, we just see westerly winds, not overly unsettled though, and by the end of the GFS run, the Azores High is giving us a nice ridge for a time before it's swept away, kinda. Well, it's not that strong. The north in this pattern will still see continuous effects of low pressure, but even so, I would not put any money on that at all. It's just too far out. Here's the ECM again. This trough gets going slowly, but surely over the next few days. And on Monday, we've got a big area of low pressure over us. As I said before, that will be a convective low, meaning that we'll see a lot of showers with that, and possibly storms. Into Tuesday, Wednesday, that low pushes northwards, and we see a drier few days then. And into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, well, that deep low gets going, and that brings a washout again, like the UKV. Like the UKV shows. I'm not sure if the GFS shows that. So that needs an eye kept on it. Into the end of next week and so on, we just see more lows coming in off the Atlantic Ocean, so really dismal. So here's the GEM will be bringing again that low, that trough forming over us through the weekend. Into next week, we just see westerly winds, dries in the south, wet in the north, warm at times, especially towards the end of the week. But into the weekend, it just goes increasingly westerly and unsettled and cooler as well. Here's the UK Met run. Once again, trough forms over us over tomorrow, Sunday and Monday. Monday, watch out for big downpours and storms. Beyond that, Tuesday, Wednesday, we do see dry weather. Well, now on Wednesday, the UKV has a big low blooming. That would be a bit stormy. And by next Thursday, Friday, dries in the south, wet in the northwest, and we're quite warm. Southwesterly winds. So here is the icon. The icon, once again, has that trough slowly forming. So we see increasingly showery weather getting going through tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday especially. Tuesday is dry day. Let's see what happens on Wednesday. Okay, icon also on Wednesday brings up this deep low, very wet and windy on Wednesday with the icon. Thursday and Friday Thursday is a bit drier and warmer, but Friday, I think, has the chance of showers, is still warm, and Saturday we're going cooler. And finally we have the arpege tomorrow, a few showers and quite cloudy, especially early on, but bright later on. Sunday, partly cloudy with a few showers, especially in the Midlands and North. Monday, we're quite warm, but with big downpours around, especially in the south and east. Tuesday is dry day, but Wednesday on the arpege doesn't look too bad. It's just got a little area of rain coming through there. So the GFS and arpege are both going for that low not being too deep, but or even not forming at all. But the ECM, GEM, UK Met and Icon are all going for a big low into Wednesday. So that's the next area of concern, basically. And with that, everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.